things people really struggle with in a sketchbook is drawing people. So I'm going to show you an exercise to get you practicing and get you more comfortable with drawing people. The first thing we're going to do is show where the joints are on the body. So actually draw on these photographs. Shoulders, elbows, ankles, hips, knees, just get them all in. And then once you've done it on the photograph, just try to kind of copy that. You're just making a little stick figure and you're putting a circle where every joint in the body is. And that's all you really need to draw is the location of those joints. And once you have that, it's surprisingly easy to put clothes on that figure. You're not actually drawing a person, you're drawing clothes. And when you think about it that way, it becomes a lot easier. So get out a marker and just give this a try with a bunch of different pictures, people from all different angles, and see how you get on. This is a sped up version of a demonstration that I sent out to my subscribers. I send these out once a week and you get them by email. And obviously in the email that I send out, we don't speed this up, we go through it in real time. And I also do people from a bunch of different angles, walking towards you, walking away from you, at diagonals. But we just really use this very, very simple method to get accurate shapes. It doesn't require that you learn a lot about body mechanics or anatomy. It just really requires that you get comfortable with the idea of identifying where the joints are. And over time, you'll be able to do it faster. Once you practice it, you'll be able to do it without first drawing all over the printout. Although I definitely recommend draw all over the printout and go back to it anytime you're not completely sure where one of those joints are. And once you have that, I think you'll find that it's actually not all that intimidating to draw clothes. You're just drawing jeans and a t-shirt. And you can always go back to drawing on the figure like I just did whenever you're a little uncertain. So if you think this kind of thing would be helpful for you, take a look at the link that I put below. You can always sign up and you get the whole archive plus what I send out every Friday, which is basically just anything you can do in a sketchbook. We have probably covered it or we will cover it. So I hope this was helpful for you. Give it a try and please give a like and subscribe to this channel if you're interested in seeing more of these.